Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial in Python programming series. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a very simple and easy Python program that you can download for free for your project purposes. This program is targeted for beginner students, and if you wish to download it, you can download it from the link in the description. This program converts complex numbers in one format to another. First of all, I'm going to show you how this program runs, and then I'm going to tell you a few key points and takeaways from the code of the program. So when you run the program, let me rerun it for you. You get this welcome message that welcome to complex number calculator. This program converts a rectangular coordinate system complex number to polar coordinate system complex number. So this program will either take a plus iota b and will return you the value in r angle theta, or it will take r angle theta as your input and will give you a plus bi, which is the rectangular format, and r angle theta is the polar format. After this welcome message, you are asked to enter the coordinate system you want to convert. So if you wish to convert a rectangular coordinate system complex number into polar, you specify R, otherwise enter P, and you can enter Q to quit the program. This program will not quit even after you enter R or P. So let's check this program for R. So you're supposed to enter the number in a plus bi format. So what is your a? So let us say it is 3. The imaginary part is, let us say, 4. So it is going to show you the message that you have entered the complex number z in the format 3 plus 4i, and your output z in polar coordinate format is 5 angle 0.927 degrees. Alright, so again it gets to the prompt where it asks you to enter your choice. So enter P this time, enter the magnitude R, which is, let us say, 45, angle is 120, let us say, and you have entered Z as 45 angle 140, and it converts that Z into a plus bi format, which is 36.63 plus iota 26.12. And finally, if you enter any other character, for example W, it says enter a sensible value. If you enter Q, the program quits, and you get a thank you exit message. Thank you again for using the program, goodbye. So that's how the program works. The working is pretty simple. Now let's look at the code. The code is also very simple for beginners level. We do not wish the program to terminate after the performance of conversion. So I start off with I is equal to 0 while I is 0, so that it takes me to this prompt again and again after performing the conversion. So for the first choice, which is R, for the rectangular coordinate system, I get A and B, and I calculate R and angle theta. Now please look at these Unicodes. Now if you look here in the program, this angle sign and the degree sign are the only Unicodes which I've used. So you can see, and theta of course is another Unicode. So you can find the Unicodes dictionary on the internet. So all the Greek letters have Unicodes. So angle, theta and degrees are put in the Unicodes, which is one good thing to learn at beginner stage. And if you print Q, you break out of this, and if you print any other value, you can output a message that enter a sensible value. So that's how this simple program of complex number calculator works. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. Till then, take care of your health and stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye bye.